Welcome to another unboxing. We have two Star Wars Micro Galaxy Squadron Scout Class Mystery Vehicle and Figure Series 1 boxes by Jazzware to open. Mouthful much? These are out here now at all good toy retailers. For Series 1, there are 8 to collect, 5 standard and 3 chase, a Biker Scout, IG-11 and Cobb Vanth. So all variants centric to the Mandalorian series. There are no listed ratios, but that doesn't mean there aren't any this time. On to box 1. It's a Biker Scout. And box 2, it's the Mandalorian. So both common. If this series, or at least the figures, look familiar, it's because these carry on from the Micro Machines Star Wars Action Fleet line released by Galoob in the mid to late 90s. Even down to the abysmal lack of detail for some of the character faces. Although, for the size, as you can see by this comparison, I guess this can be forgiven. Especially since the speeder bikes have vastly improved from the 1997 original release. The Scout Class blind boxes adjust the entry level to a much larger and expansive series, some of which, although windowed and blister pack, have chase variants also. And just when you thought you were safe, there have also been glimpse reveals of a second blind box series already in the wings. Realistically, if you're a Star Wars fan, or more importantly, were a fan of the Galoob Action Fleet line, then these are certainly for you. But for now, that's our unboxing.